Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Deliwe, yeah, also known as the Moa Deliwe. So today we went a bit glam. Yellow, it's my favorite color, and I love playing with yellow and purple so much. So today I really enjoyed filming this look for you, so I hope you're going to enjoy it. Alright guys, so I'm priming my face using the Fenty Beauty True Mate primer. Okay, and today I'm going to be correcting my face first using this MAC Conceal and Correct palette. We are going to be using the new palette by Juvia, the Nomad. I'm so excited guys, I can't wait to create this look for you. And I'm putting my Prep and Prime. So moving on to my eyebrows, I'm using the Italia pencil, shade dark brown. Revolution Conceal and Define to contour my eyebrows. And to do my eyebrows, I'm using the Morphe M4 21 brush. I'm just gonna mix the Toffee concealer from Elegant with my Revolution, just to add a bit of color. I'm blending my concealer with the BH Cosmetic brush number 5. The BH Cosmetics brush number 12, just to blend out my pencil. Frameous Lash and Brow to just tame my eyebrows. So for eyeshadow today, we are going to be using the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil. Because of that, what I do is I just further blend it out with my hands so that I smoothen it out. So the first colors I'm going to be using are from the Morphe X James Charles palette. Going to be using this purple shade right here, Morphe brush M330. And for my second color, I'm going to be using this color right here. It's an orange color. I'm going back with my purple color. We are going to be using this yellow color right here, So before we use it, I'm just going to cut my crease. And before we place our color, take a bit of purple. Taking the fat brush from Beige Cosmetics number 10, and we are now placing our yellow color. Beginning blend, and now we are using this brown color in the Nomad palette, and I'm using the smaller brush from Morphe M507. Liner from NYX Vivid Brights. It's a yellow liner. Like we made it. I'm happy. This liner is from Essence. Alright, and now we are moving on to foundation. Okay, and for my concealer, I'm going to be using the LA Girl concealer in shade Toffee. C13 Revolution. So we're using the Make Prep and Prime, this one, to set our face. Morphe James Charles. The purple eyeshadow that we use, that's what I'm just going to be using under the eye. We are going to be using this purple eyeshadow. Juvia's Warrior, Jamata and Kuru for these. Contouring our nose with creamful. Alright, you know I always go back in with my hands. Yeah, I blended it out before without powder. I just want to see what it's going to be looking like after. Alright, so for my blush I'm using the MAC Love Thing. Alright, and I'm using the Wet n Wild Crown My Canopy to highlight my face. Revolution Golden Sugar. I'm using the Milk Mascara. I'm going to be using the MAC High Drama and 1995-08. It's a nude, and I'm going to be using the MAC Retro Mix in High Drama. Oh. This is e.l.f. liquid liner, but it has a bit of glitter in it. Thank you guys for watching my video. I really hope you enjoyed watching it. For this palette, guys, if you want it, you can get it from Imani Beauty. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel, and see you guys on the next video.